here we have some Rheem commercial units right here.
Big Rheems.
Yep. Alright, this is an 85,000 BTU. Not sure what year it's from. It probably says somewhere. It's not very safe back here because there's like security cameras. Hack job there. This one's condensating. There's one over here that's off. Here's the compressor. Looks like a scroll. Never seen it. Well, I have seen some Rheem commercial units before, but I don't see them very often. Pizza box sitting on top of this one. This is actually at a pizza place, so makes sense. And then this is a Trane. This one has a different Rheem logo on it. 5-ton. So it's quiet. Alright, I guess over and out.